better way to start a trip than stop at Cabela's. Our first stop overnight is going to be non-electric, and I want to get a little coffee.
We need a way to make coffee.
Percolator thingy. So here we are, glorious Cabela's. Alright, here we go. 9-cupper. It's gonna percolate and delicious coffee. We are at Apple Canyon State Park. It was one of our first long distance away from home
Overnight getaways
in like March.
Yeah.
After we'd been dating for
5.5 years ago or so.
After we'd been dating for 4 months or so, something like that. And I kind of knew full well we might not make it back
We're
home
taking
that
a day
night.
trip.
But it was snowy in the road conditions, so we had to drive slower.
We were safe.
We had a nice night. We wait, I have the trail map here. Let's see. We did, what trail did we do, babe? This one over here.
River Route Nature Trail.
River Nature Trail. It's kind of slopey, and it was icy, and we were sliding down the side and everything. And I'm like, what on earth did I get her into? But the
beginning of our adventures.
Yes. So we made it through then, and we're coming back now. And here, let's see. Do you think we can do this? We are all set up. A little different situation this time. No hotel. We are we're camping.
Living in luxury.
Yes. We have just started percolating. I already see some color change. Oh, coffee's coming soon. It's looking like a good color. I think we're gonna shut her down. We got our morning coffee in. Went for about a 3-mile hike. Now we're gonna do up a little breakfast and take a nap and move on out to Iowa. Our next stop to meet up with my sister Kristen, brother-in-law Doug. Should be a good time. I'm not a big food guy, but I do like to cook breakfast. I mean, when you have a setting like this behind you, you know, we had a lawnmower go by, but it's, you know, it's Friday. They're getting ready for the weekend, people. It's part of the deal. But, you know, and it's calm and relaxed. Cooking a nice breakfast. It's quite enjoyable. I'm learning. I'm getting better. Hash browns are on now. I got the egg thingies. This will be interesting. Kind of excited about it. We'll see what happens. All right, here it goes. I guess you just put them on like this. Throw them on like that, maybe. We'll put them like over here. I got the hash browns done. And bacon is already done. Oh, here. Shoot a little of this on there. I suppose butter. I mean, butter would be better, but you gotta stay somewhat healthy, right? Sort of. Yeah, here it goes. Let's see what happens. You're just supposed to crack them in here and they stay in. Oh, unless your egg is frozen. Huh. Well, that makes it interesting. Okay, then. I wonder if the other eggs are frozen. Oh, I think we're gonna... Yeah, no, this is... This is a problem. Hold on. Hold on. This is so weird, look. Wait, hold on. Look at... I don't know if you can see this. It's like the yolk. The yolk is like in this gelatin. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. I'm gonna go get hopefully non-frozen eggs and try this again. When you normally have your fridge, and I think normally we start at 5 and we're at 4 the whole time we're out when it's warmer. When it's cooler, like 2. 2's plenty, because we were on 4, and I think last night I turned it to 3. I'm trying to warm up our eggs. I can't sit on them. I'm too heavy. I'm no hen. So I'm just trying to warm them up a little bit. Warm them up so I can cook them. Who'd have thunk? So I'm holding the eggs, trying to thaw them out a little bit, and I notice there's some mushrooms over here. Okay, I don't know. You guys, anyone know what this is? Are these edible? My brother-in-law would definitely research them, find out what they are, probably harvest them, saute them up, and eat them. We're not quite that adventurous. We don't even like mushrooms when they're from a store. Okay, we're gonna try this egg thing again. Hopefully. All right, so I think we're good to go. Hash brown's cooked. We're gonna do like a hash brown cheese egg bacon thing, like a stack. So I got the bacon back on warming up. Except for this piece. Non-frozen eggs with the egg thingies. There you go. Here we go. Oh, that's better. All right, we're dropping 3. Sound like a... Dude, look at it. It's working. You can't see, but they're staying within the circles. Little thingies work. That one got a little bit of an escape on this one here. Okay. Pressure's on. We're over, was it over easy? The yolk cracked. And cooked a little. We're not gooey. We're not gooey egg people. So we cook them. All right. We're about ready to eat. I gotta go get wife.